If you want to start an LLC in Washington, this video will show you exactly how, step by step. No confusion, no unnecessary fees. You'll know exactly how to form your Washington LLC, what it costs, and what to do after formation so you don't run into problems later on. If you want to make sure you don't miss anything, grab our free LLC formation checklist, linked below. Step 1, choose a name for your business. Something most people don't realize is that your LLC name is one of the most common reasons LLC filings get rejected. Your name must be unique in Washington and end with limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC. Your name cannot include words like incorporated, limited partnership, or any other words that are reserved for other business structures. The easiest way to check LLC name availability is by visiting the Washington Corporations and Charity Filing System. Search for your business name and make sure there isn't another business using a similar name. Pro tip, as soon as you choose a name, don't wait to get your website domain. We recommend heading over to spaceship.com and locking down the matching domain. Spaceship is one of the lowest cost and most user-friendly options for buying domains. Links to naming requirements, the name search tool, and everything else we talk about in this video can be found down below. Step 2, select your registered agent. Every Washington LLC is required to have one. This is a person or business that receives legal and state documents on your behalf and forwards them to you. Keep in mind that this address will be publicly available, so I wouldn't recommend using your home address as your registered agent's address. Your registered agent must have a Washington address and be available during normal business hours Monday to Friday. You can't use a P.O. box. Most business owners decide to hire a registered agent service. We recommend Northwest Registered Agent. They charge $125 per year to be your registered agent. If they form your LLC, you'll get the first year for free. Other registered agents can charge up to $250 per year. Step 3, file your certificate of formation. This is what will actually create your LLC. The filing fee is $200 when filing online and $180 for paper filings. Standard processing is 5 to 10 business days, depending on how busy the Secretary of State is. You can also pay an additional $100 for 3-day processing. You can file directly with the Washington Secretary of State, or you can use a formation service like Northwest Registered Agent. This is who we recommend. They file everything for you and catch any mistakes before submission. By using our link in the description, you can create your LLC with Northwest for $39 plus the state fee. Northwest handles the registered agent requirement, protects your privacy, and makes sure nothing important slips through the cracks. Let me walk you through exactly how to form your LLC with Northwest. You can follow along by using the Northwest link in the description. First, select Washington from the drop-down list of states, then click Get Started. Here's a list of everything that's included when you hire Northwest. Filing with the state, registered agent service for 1 year, free domain, website, email, and phone line, renewal reminders, and renewal filing. They do charge $100 per renewal filing, but you can easily turn that off if you'd like to take care of that yourself. You'll also get a free operating agreement template. Here you'll see the state filing fee of $200 for 10-day processing, or pay an additional $100 for expedited 3 days processing. Some formation services say they'll create your LLC for free, but be careful because they usually end up charging you for things like expedited processing, an operating agreement, or an overpriced registered agent service. To give you an idea, with Busy, your LLC formation in Washington without expedited processing takes up to 4 weeks, and it takes Zen Business 7 to 10 business days to send your documents to the state. There's a good to know section at the bottom that'll answer common questions. If you need additional help, you can call Northwest. You'll see their phone number listed right here, or you can fill out this form on their contact page. Whenever I've called them, I'm quickly connected with a real person who's able to answer my question. Customer support is a big part of their brand. You can learn more about what's important to them on their manifesto page. For example, all emails are answered the same day, and in the unlikely event that you call and get a voicemail during business hours, you'll get a return call within 2 hours. Next, enter your LLC name. If you have an attorney and want them to receive a copy of legal notice, select yes and add their email. Otherwise, just leave it as no. For your business's physical address and mailing address, Northwest lets you use their address. Like I've mentioned before, if you use your home address, it becomes a permanent public record on the internet. Using Northwest address keeps your front door private. Here you're going to choose your management type. Member managed is the most common. It means the owner or owners, you, are going to run the show. Select manager managed if you'll appoint someone to handle the daily operations. At any point, if you want to learn more, you can click on the question icon. Enter your name as the member. Again, for the address, I'd use the registered agent's address to protect your privacy. If there are additional members, click Add Member and add their information as well. Next are the optional items. Everything here is optional and a la carte. There are no forced bundles like you see with some competitors. I recommend getting a tax ID, EIN. Northwest will do this for you for an additional $50, or you can totally do this on your own if you follow the instructions in this video that you'll find in the description. We're going to talk more about your EIN later on. If you want to have your LLC taxed as an S Corp, you can have Northwest file Form 2553 with the IRS. This can help you save money on taxes, but I wouldn't do this until you're earning over $50,000 of profit per year. There's a video about S Corps down below. If you work from home, you want their premium mail service, so you're not listing your home address on any business documents or emails. Again, helping you keep your information private. I wouldn't worry about a trademark filing at this point. If you're using your LLC name as your brand name, you don't need a DBA. A DBA, doing business as, is only needed if your LLC name is different from the brand name that you want to use publicly. Add what you want and click continue. Here you enter your contact information, name, phone number, and address. This is for Northwest and not shared with the state. Next, create your account with an email and password. Finally, fill in your payment information, hit submit, and you're done. Once approved, and your LLC has officially been formed, you'll receive the formation documents from the state, or Northwest will add scanned copies to your account. Creating your LLC is just one part of starting a business. We create a free course that runs through everything you need when starting a new business. To get access, sign up using the link in the description. Step 4, file your initial report. Washington requires a one-time initial report submission within 120 days of your LLC's formation. Your initial report must be filed with the Washington Secretary of State. If you file it together with your certificate of formation online, there's no extra fee. Filing it separately later on will cost $10. Step 5, get your EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is like a social security number for your business. You'll need this to open a bank account, hire employees, and cleanly separate yourself from your business. You can do this yourself on the IRS's website for free, or you can have Northwest do this, ensuring there's no errors in the filing. If you're a single member LLC and won't have any employees, you could use your social security number instead of an EIN, but for privacy, I only use my social security number when it's absolutely necessary. Step 6, create an operating agreement. Washington doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but you should still have one. This document explains who owns the LLC, how decisions are going to be made, helps minimize conflicts, and also helps maintain your personal liability protection. Banks may ask for it, accounts may ask for it, and if there's ever a dispute, this document protects you. Even if you're a single member LLC, you should still have one. Northwest provides simple operating agreement templates, so you don't have to figure this out on your own. Even if you don't use Northwest to form your LLC, you can get one of their templates for free. Step 7, open a business bank account. This will help you keep your personal and business finances separate. It keeps your accounting cleaner, makes taxes easier, and helps protect your personal assets if anything ever happens legally. To do this, you'll need to provide the bank either online or in branch with your certificate of formation, your EIN confirmation letter, a government-issued photo ID, and your operating agreement. If you have multiple members, you'll also need to provide a resolution to open a business bank account. We recommend contacting your bank of choice beforehand to make sure to bring all necessary documentation. The requirements can vary a bit from bank to bank. To avoid account minimums, monthly fees, and other fees, I recommend avoiding the big traditional banks and using an online business bank account. Bluevine and American Express are two options that have accounts with no monthly fees, and you can earn interest in your checking account balance. There are videos down below that walk you through how to open a business bank account and on the best business bank accounts. Step 8, obtain licenses and permits. After forming your LLC, you'll need to apply for a Washington business license through the Washington Department of Revenue. You can apply online using Washington's business licensing wizard. Online applications typically take about 10 business days. The state fee is $50, but local and other licenses may add additional costs. Depending on what you do and where you're located, you may need state licenses, county licenses, city licenses, or industry-specific permits. This part is based on your business type and your location, so you need to check local and state requirements. As a starting point, you could ask your favorite AI tool if you need any licenses or permits to operate your business type in whatever city or county you're based in. Step 9, organize your business finances. On day 1, you don't need to hire an accountant, but I would at least start tracking your income and expenses with an online accounting software like QuickBooks, Wave, Doola, or FreshBooks. As your business starts to grow, it might make sense to look into a service like Doola's Business in a Box, where you can work with a dedicated human bookkeeper. If you want to hire a bookkeeper right from the start, you could even have Doola form your LLC. If accounting is something new for you, I've linked a few videos below that'll help you better understand income, expenses, write-offs, taxes, and how to manage your finances properly from the start, instead of trying to fix a mistake later on. Step 10, register for Washington taxes. While Washington doesn't have a state income tax, there is a mandatory business and occupation tax. The rate depends on your business classification. 0.471% for retail, 0.484% for wholesale and manufacturing, and 1.5% for service businesses. Depending on where you're located, your city could have its own B&O tax on top of what we just mentioned. To keep your LLC in good standing, Step 11, file an annual report with the Washington Secretary of State each year, starting the year after your LLC formation. The filing fee is $70 and is due the last day of your LLC's anniversary month. Now you know all the steps to start an LLC in Washington. For the easiest path, you can use the Northwest link down below. This is an affiliate link, so if you use it, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. It's a great way to support the channel. Now, to avoid common mistakes new business owners make, watch this video. We also have this free course that goes over everything you need when starting a new business. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.